If you're not sure which pages you should build links to, I'm going to show you a super simple process to figure it out. First, we need to look at which keywords are currently ranking in the first 3 pages of Google, and then pick out the ones that are the most commercially relevant to us. To do that, you can use the Ahrefs or SEMrush trial to see all of your currently ranking keywords and then filter them accordingly. You can also see some of this data in the Google Search Console search results report if you don't have access to Ahrefs or SEMrush, but you should be able to get access to that data for free. Ultimately, you just want to create a short list of keywords that are ranking on the first 3 pages of Google that will bring sales or leads to your business. That usually means avoiding the high traffic, high competition terms and instead focusing on those super targeted 10 to 500 search volume per month terms that appear much later in the buying cycle. The real art here is being strict on your keyword selections and keeping your eyes on the sales and leads rather than the search volume. Once you have that short list of keywords, you can move on to calculating the link gap, which is the second part of figuring out which pages to build links to.